Hey, it's a Bird and Cloud, and we're gonna do the Who's More Likely To challenge. You already know what's going on because it's overdone, and we're just late. So.
Yeah. Okay, so we got Shelby, which is me, the bird, and then we got Jasmine, or Jazz, her Cloud. So I have the questions here in front of me. Question number 1: Who is most likely to drop out of school? All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. What'd you put? Yes, I do. Yeah, definitely. You want to tell a story of stories?
So, the beginning of junior year, I almost dropped out of school because I don't like school.
And then I got sad, and I was like, "No, please, I need you." And she's like, "Okay, I'll come back. I have nothing else to do."
Yeah, I missed the first day.
She regrets it terribly, right?
Yeah.
Question 2: Who is most likely to travel the world? Okay, 3, 2, 1. I said me.
Yeah, you've already been to more places in the U.S.
Yeah.
So,
I've been in the plane a lot, and I road trips. Question number 3: Who would have kids first? And they could be adopted or birthed. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Said me.
I said you too. I don't want kids.
I don't either, but children like me for some reason. I think it's because I'm a child myself.
I don't want kids for a long time, whether they're adopted or not, just because, no thank you. But I feel like you would be like, I'm okay with it.
Question number 4: Who would get married first? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I said you.
Me too.
It's because you actually have someone in your life.
I already have a boyfriend, and I think we're gonna last a long time. We're probably gonna get married.
Dang.
But we're not gonna have kids for a while, so I...
Question number 5: Who is most likely to become a dancer?
What kind of dancer?
Like, a dancer where you dance.
I'm exploring my options.
3, 2, 1. I said you.
I said you, because I'm not coordinated, and I can barely walk.
I said you because you dance more than I do, just in general.
Have you seen my dancing?
I am the glob glow gab galab, the schwabble double wobble gabble flibber blabber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds.
Exactly. I said a dancer where you dance, and technically you're dancing.
Not well. Okay, next question.
Question number 6: Who would most likely be on TV or like on a TV show first? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I said you.
I said me because I would just do something so stupid that they would be like, okay, we gotta put Ron in this. You know?
America's Funniest Home Videos. Just you dancing in the background. I said you because I would most likely be behind the camera versus on the camera. Question number 7: Who is most likely to lose their phone in a random place, random location? Alright, I'm ready.
Me too.
I said you.
I said me too, just because you hardly leave your house, 1. 2, it's me, and you're just more organized.
Question number 8: Who would do something overly stupid for a video?
I'm ready.
I am too. Jasmine.
No explanation, what's the next one?
Question number 9: Who's most likely to swim with sharks?
I think we're both like actually thinking about this.
Wait, hold on. I think I got my answer.
I think I do too.
3, 2, 1.
I said me because I feel like if it really came down to it, like if we were on the boat and like we were actually about to do it, I feel like I would be the one to be more gutsy about it.
I said you because 1, I hate the ocean, and 2, I'm a bird and sharks eat birds. You're a cloud, so you can turn in the water and just be with the shark. Question number 10: Who is most likely to graduate from college? 3, 2, 1. I said me.
I also said you because you're more likely to go to college.
Yeah. Question number 11: Who's most likely to be a better cook in the future for themselves or their family? But most likely themselves. 3, 2, 1. I said you.
I said me too because I already know how to do some stuff, so like.
I don't.
Do the stuff
Yeah.
with the food. Yeah.
Question number 12: Who's most likely to move away from home first? I got my answer.
Okay, I think I do too.
3, 2, 1. I said you.
I said me too because I don't like home. You know, I just want to be on my own. I like to be on my own.
I said you because I'm antisocial and don't go anywhere. So, question number 13. Who's most likely to meet our celebrity crush?
I said you because you travel more, so you would more likely run into them like at in Los Angeles.
I said you because I don't have a celebrity crush.
You right.
Question number 14. Who's most likely to have the worst luck in their adulthood? 3, 2, 1. I said you.
But I also said me.
Yeah, there's no reason for that. It's just obvious.
Yeah, it's actually obvious. Okay.
Question 15. Who's most likely to have a house full of pets when they move out? Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Also, no reason.
I just like animals too much.
Yeah, I feel like you're more tolerant with animals.
Yeah, and they hold a special place in my heart.
You know what I noticed?
What?
I noticed that most of these, it was you. The answer was like you're most likely to. I just now noticed that. That's
all bye. Like and
that-
subscribe. Follow our social medias. We'll have them in the bio, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah. Description down below. Bye. And then we can go.
I choked on myself.
Are you good?
Yeah. Oh my god. I don't even know why I'm laughing. Okay, I'm good.
You good? You ready?
Yeah. Choking made me laugh uncontrollably.